Hi, I am Andrea, and next we'll talk about noise pollution. What is noise pollution? Unwanted noise in the most widespread public nuisance in today's society. Noise is a real and effective danger to people's health. Day and night, and home and at work, in the street, wherever, wire noise can have serious physical and emotional illnesses. No one is immune to noise, although apparently with adapt, the truth is that the ear always picks it, it up, and the body always reacts, sometimes with extreme tension, as when we hear a strange sound in the middle of the rain. Other more serious danger caused by noise have received less attention, perhaps because they are more subtle. What are the possible causes? It is believed that the factors that help rise to this type of pollution in the environment are anthropogenic, human and supernatural activities, transportation, and traffic. Also, the sound of traffic lights, loud music, industries, and factories. In addition, airplanes, ships, public works, building construction, screams of passers by, and alarms. Noise pollution can come from multiple sources, but here are the main ones. Automobile traffic. The main source of noise in city is generated by automobile. For example, the horn of a car produces 90 dB and that of a bus 100 dB. Air traffic. The number of airplanes flying over a city is lower than the number of cars, but their impact is greater. One of these aircraft produces 130 dB. Construction work. The construction of a new building, a new parking lot, or the resurfacing of a sidewalk causes noise. For example, a new mark hammer sounds at 110 decibels. Restaurant and nightlife. Bars. Restaurant and terraces that are set up outside. When the good weather arrives can exceed 100 decibel. This section also includes noise from pubs and discotheques. Effects of noise. Again, the main effects of noise are interference with communication, hearing loss, sleep disturbance, and stress. Noise can cause difficulty falling asleep. Some studies have indicated that sleep disturbance manifests itself increasingly as ambient noise levels exceed the limits of serenity. Noise will affect you all your life. In childhood and youth, young people exposed to high noise levels may experience difficulty learning, poor health, and people and how long adult home may have difficulty sleep and resting. Solution to everyday noise pollution. We can all obtain a noise-free environment if we do our part and become aware of the problem. If we adopt measures as easy as the following, we will contribute to a cleaner environment of noise. And the home. Noisy apparatus serving out inside the home, such as drilling a hole in the wall, repairs, running the vacuum cleaner, putting on the washing machine or dishwasher, should not produce excessive. We should also ensure that stereos and television are operated at the moderate volume, using fan inside of air conditioning quiet household appliances. Centrifuge to quieter and calmer delify. When driving, we should make sure that our vehicle does not cause excessive noise. Do not use the horn and sirens, except in serious circumstances. Accelerate gradually, obey the speed limit. Use more on the public transport or bicycles for short units. Thank you very much.